Hi, everybody. I'm Mark from Dropwater, and I'm going to tell you about how we're in business to become one of the largest beverage manufacturers in the world without ever transporting a drop of water. So in 2017, humans created over 480 billion bottles of water. If you were to stack those bottles end to end, that's enough to wrap around the equator of the Earth 2,500 times. And the current method of making and shipping bottled water just doesn't make a lot of sense. It's super inefficient. We're bottling water in one place and using fossil fuels to ship it somewhere else that probably has perfectly good drinking water. And as people become more and more environmentally conscious, it's putting a spotlight on the bottled beverage industry as one of the least environmentally friendly industries in the world. And this is a map of how the current bottled water industry works. As you see, drinks are made in centralized packaging facilities and shipped all over the world. And this is how the drop water system works. We've decentralized this entire bottling process, and we bottle the drink at the point of purchase. How do we do this? Well, this is the drop station. The drop station is like a mini bottling plant. It plugs into the tap water, it filters, chills, adds flavoring, and bottles the drink into one of our 100% compostable bottles, all inside the machine at the point of purchase. So we don't have to ship the liquid. Here's what a normal order looks like. Select create a drink, choose your flavor, whether or not you want caffeine, temperature, swipe a credit card, and then within seconds, the drink is delivered to the customer in one of our 100% compostable bottles. Right now, we're targeting the US vending market. It's a $30 billion a year market with 100 million daily users and 7 million vending machines nationwide. And here's our huge competitive advantage. Because our drop bottles are collapsible and stackable, we're able to transport all of our drinks in a 20th the weight and a 10th of the volume to the current model. And this is what all of our bottles look like stacked inside of one of our drop water machines. That's actually 1,200 bottles. And then another awesome feature to our bottles is that because the outer shell is made of an uncoated paperboard, we can print low-volume, cost-effective custom bottles for private events. So this is an example of a bottle we designed for Coachella. Now, let's go through a few milestones. We've already done our initial market validation, at companies with private events like Twitter. Then we've done multiple iterations of our drop station to make the manufacturing process more easy. We've signed a multi-year contract with the San Jose International Airport, and right now we're working on making 100 kiosks and getting them in the field by the end of the year. And while we're doing that, we're also reducing COGS. So here's our product roadmap. Right now, we have the drop station. By next year, we're hoping to launch the Drop Station Mini for places with tighter space constraints. And then by 2022, we're hoping to move into the retail space with the Drop Retail. We have a great, hardworking team dedicated to making this happen, an awesome group of advisors and investors that have stood by us the whole way. Yeah, if you have any questions, please feel free to find me. Mark, thanks.